Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be doing a DIY turmeric mask for dark spots. So as you guys know, I do suffer from hyperpigmentation. I have no makeup on right now. I'm just in some natural lighting, so I don't know if you can see my skin really well, but I definitely suffer from hyperpigmentation around my mouth. I have I have really bad dark circles, and then I have some acne spots just from past years that never went away, and those things are like what irks me the most about my skin. So I figured, why not do the DIY turmeric mask and see if it works. If you guys are new here, I create beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content. So if that is something that you're interested in, I recommend you hitting that subscribe button below. Also hit the bell, that way you never miss videos from me. Here are the ingredients that you're gonna need. You're going to need some turmeric powder, half of a lemon, some water, and some honey, and then a bowl and a spoon to mix. Oh, one thing I want to say is, especially when you're trying out any new skincare product, whether you buy it from the store or you're creating it in your kitchen, you definitely want to do a patch test. I can't stress this enough. It would be the worst thing to put something all over your face and you be allergic to it, and then you have an allergic reaction all over your face. So a patch test is basically just doing it on like maybe a small part of your skin, on your arm, or if you want to do it on your face, just do it on a very tiny spot and just make sure that you're not going to have any irritation to it. So that's just a little tip for you guys. We're just going to kind of like eyeball it. So I'm just going to pour a nice amount. Maybe I should have put water in it first. Okay, so I'm back. I put a little bit of water in it, and then now I'm going to pour the turmeric powder in it. I probably should look up like a recipe that has actual measurements. So if I find something that's good, I'll probably just link someone's recipe down below with actual measurements if you guys want to try this out, but I'm just gonna eyeball it. Okay, so I'm back. I mixed it a little bit more off camera, and I have a pretty decent consistency. And now I'm just going to add in half of that lemon. Got it to a nice consistency, and now I'm just gonna add in some honey. I'm just gonna eyeball it. That should be enough. We're gonna mix that in. Y'all know I like to smell everything before I put it on my face. This is kind of runny. It's a little runny for me. Sorry guys about the change of scenery. I have my mask ready. It is at a really nice consistency. Boom. I'm gonna do my patch test because I have sensitive skin and I just don't want this to do anything bad to me. So I'm gonna take a little brush. Let me zoom you guys in. So I'm probably just gonna do a little bit like down here. I want to smell this. It smells very turmeric-y. Okay, so I'm gonna take just a little bit, like so, like that. While we're waiting, this can be like my before. So this is what my skin looks like. I have a lot of the acne scars, dark circles, hyperpigmentation around the mouth. This is my natural skin. I think the mask is gonna be fine. I'm probably just gonna leave mine on between 5 and 10 minutes. I'm gonna try to go to 10 minutes, but if it starts like irritating me in any kind of way, I'm gonna wash it off immediately. I have seen girls' faces getting like stained with it, so I'm not sure about that part. I am off today, so I'm like, you know, if something goes wrong, I at least have a day to figure out what I'm gonna do if my face is stained. Whew, it's cold. It's very cold. It doesn't smell too bad, it just smells like the turmeric, which I mean, it's not that big of a deal. I look crazy. Looks like baby food, honestly. Like some carrots, some yams. I'm gonna try to leave this on for 10 minutes and I will come back and let you guys know how it dries, how it feels, and then we'll wash it off and see if we notice a difference. I know we're not gonna see a difference overnight, so yeah. I'll be right back in 10 minutes. All right guys, I'm back in yellow as ever. So this is what the mask looks like once it's dried. I did start feeling like, I felt something, it wasn't like tingling, but I felt something like something's working, maybe, I don't know. Maybe it was just drying, but I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see. It looks disgusting, but kind of see what it looks like dried. So now I'm gonna wash this off. I'm praying that this all comes off and my face is not stained yellow. If it is, just know I took this L for you guys, so you didn't have to. But I'm hopeful that it'll wash off well. So I'm gonna go do that and I'll be right back. Y'all, I'm back. I washed the mask off and I will tell you, when I first washed the mask off, it did stain my skin. I did have like a yellow tint, which scared me. And then I washed it off again. And then I feel like I still saw some yellow, like as I was wiping my face, I still saw the turmeric coming off. So I was like, let me do it a third time. And I actually used my cleanser with it. And I think that helped. And I think I pretty much got it all off. I don't know if you guys, oh, and I put some moisturizer on as well. It did scare me because I was nervous that it was gonna stain my skin, but I think I got it all off. And I even asked my mom if my skin looked yellow or something, and she was like, no, it looks normal. I do still see, like when I look up close, I still see a slight yellow tint. But yeah, here's what my skin looks like now. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but this is the after. And I can even still see on camera that my skin is a little tinted yellow. So yeah, I think if you use this over time, like you'll definitely see some results. I know I'm not gonna see anything major after using it once. My skin does seem to be a little bit brighter, but because of the yellow stain, the yellow tint, I don't know, like, I don't think I wanna go through with this. I was gonna try it for 5 days and then update you guys with my 5-day results, but I'm gonna keep it real. I personally think there's other ways that you can get rid of your hyperpigmentation and your scars than this. I mean, it's a cool, inexpensive way, but the thing I don't like about it is that it does stain your skin, and I'm just not about that. So for that reason, I'm going to say no to this. So I know I originally said that I was not going to be continuing to do this mask and do the 5-day test, but I changed my mind. I looked up some other videos, and there are some great videos out there that have a few added ingredients that really help you to wash off that yellow. And I'm not as scared because I see that it really did not stain my face once I washed it off really well. So I am going to continue with this for 5 more days. I will have an updated video for you guys next week, so make sure you subscribe to see my 5-day results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you've tried the turmeric mask, the DIY turmeric mask at home, and if you guys saw results or not. Give me any tips or tricks. Any knowledge you guys have on skincare, I'm here for it. Let's create a little community. I do want to give a shout out to my friend Simone, who left the best and only comment on my last video, but she's a sweetheart. She also has a YouTube channel if you guys want to go follow her. If you guys want me to try any other skincare, makeup, food, whatever, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll catch you guys in the next video.